Good morning, traders. Tuesday morning, the 19th of April 2016, just around about 10 a.m., and time for our morning forecast of the markets. Starting off with gold, and we're looking at the 1 hour chart. And as we can see here, a very strong, very exciting bullish decision candle that exceeded the trend line, the downtrend line, broke the downtrend line over here. And based on the strength of this candle, rather than simply the trend line break rules, and also due to the fact that this level over here was taken out quite substantially, I have decided to enter this trade. And I entered this trade just as the market took this level out, entered the trade right there, placed my stop loss underneath the trend line over here, and expecting the market to now go after more previous levels, i.e. that one and eventually that one. I decided to place my take profit just underneath the outer trend line over there, coming down over there. I placed my take profit level just underneath that. So this one is definitely worth watching for the rest of the day. And I invite you to search for entry opportunities on this trade. Bearing in mind, folks, that the market might decide to come back to test this trend line. Although this level has been taken out, and it therefore goes that the market would now go after higher previous levels. Very exciting move here on gold, and definitely worth watching. Now, one of the traders brought to my attention yesterday early evening that there's an interesting development on the South African Rand, the USD ZAR. And the poor South African Rand has taken a beating of late, as we can see there, reaching a level over 17 Rand and 12 cents to the dollar, and has strengthened over the last few months and is now trading at 14 Rand 36 to the dollar. Now, this is the day chart that I'm looking at, guys. And as we can see, an inner trend line here was taken out over there. And that would now indicate that the market would be going towards the next trend line over there at 13 Rand 29. So this is something worth watching. It's something worth considering for a trade today. Bearing in mind, though, that the pip spread on this currency pair is quite high. The USD ZAR, if you want to have a look at that. Looking at the USD JPY, the one that we traded so nicely yesterday, we can see that the market, after having retraced, is still chasing the medium-term outer trend line over there, and there's still a very, very nice trading opportunity for us on the Japanese yen. So please go ahead and look for entry opportunities, maybe on a shorter term graph. Ideally, what I would like to see before I re-enter this trade is for this level to be taken out. We remember from yesterday that the market has already taken out that level over there, ever so slightly. So a very strong confirmation for me would be if the market took out that level over there. That's the Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen. Looking at the Euro USD, still quite lackluster in its movements. However, this level over there, which was also tested over there, has now been taken out, as we can see over there. And the market currently testing that level again. So it follows that the market would now start looking at taking out previous levels over there and possibly over there. I'm not very excited about the movements on the euro dollar at the moment. However, it doesn't mean that trading opportunities will not develop during the course of the day. So it might be worth your while to just keep an eye out on this currency pair. The GBP USD, as we can see, has also gone and tested a previous level over there. Seems to be turning back from it, still very much making lower highs and higher lows, so not a clear trend on the GBP USD just yet. I just found it interesting that the market has actually gone and tested that level, so there might be some decision in terms of trend later on during the day. So it seems to be quite an exciting market day for us. I trust that you've enjoyed this market forecast. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and thereby you'll be informed on a daily basis and get our daily updates. That's it from me, guys. As always, trade safe.